Hold it! I was literally just looking at radar thing. Why was it that severe wrong?
Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Henry County until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over New Castle, or 12 miles northwest of Cambridge City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include New Castle, Strawn, and Greensboro. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 122 and 133. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle. Roads are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted.